Bitcoin is growing fast, and so are the scams. In 2026, scammers have become smarter, faster, and more convincing, and anyone can fall for them. But the good news? If you understand how they work, you can avoid almost all of them. In this video, I'll show you the top Bitcoin scams in 2026, and simple ways to stay safe. Scam number 1, fake giveaways. You've probably seen messages like, send 0.01 BTC and get 0.1 BTC back. Celebrate our anniversary with free Bitcoin. None of these are real. No company, no exchange, no influencer will ever ask you to send Bitcoin first. Rule: if someone promises to double your Bitcoin, it's always a scam, 100% of the time. Scam number 2, fake customer support. Scammers pretend to be from Binance, Coinbase, Ledger, Trezor, even your bank. They contact you through fake websites, social media, or emails saying, "We detected a problem, please verify your wallet. Your account is locked, click here." Once you click, they steal your private information. Rule: customer support will never ask for your seed phrase, your private key, remote access to your computer. If they ask for that, it's a scam instantly. Scam number 3, fake investment platforms. These look like professional trading sites. They show fake dashboards, fake profits, fake withdrawals, and they let you deposit Bitcoin, but you can never withdraw it. Rule: if a website guarantees high profits with no risk, it's a scam. Real Bitcoin investing has no guarantees. Scam number 4, fake wallet apps. In 2026, scammers upload perfect copies of real Bitcoin wallets. Fake Exodus, fake Electrum, fake Ledger Live, fake Blue Wallet. These apps steal your Bitcoin the moment you enter your seed phrase. Rule: only download wallets from official websites, official app stores, verified links. Never search Bitcoin wallet download on Google. Scammers run ads. Scam number 5, seed phrase theft. This is the most common and the most dangerous scam. Scammers ask for your seed phrase by pretending to be support, an exchange, a giveaway, a friend, a recovery service. Rule: your seed phrase is your Bitcoin. If anyone gets it, they get everything. Never type it online. Never take a photo of it. Never store it in email or cloud. Write it on paper or use a metal backup. How to stay safe in 2026. Super simple tips. Always verify the website URL. Never rush when money is involved. No one legitimate will ever ask for your seed phrase. Don't trust messages from strangers online. If it sounds too good to be true, it is. Bitcoin itself is safe, but scammers target beginners. Stay sharp and you'll be safer than 99% of people. If you want more beginner-friendly Bitcoin videos, hit like and subscribe. And stay safe out there. Your Bitcoin depends on it.